he sings, does everything with a lot of passion, and he's here to make a lot of special children smile today, and he did exactly that. You've made their day.
In fact, this is not just responsibility, social responsibility of every artist, but of every citizen.
Sure.
Yeah, and I think thalassemia patients, these young children, they are very close to me because I've been also donating blood, by the way. Apart from being a sperm donor in films, every year I used to conduct blood camps, blood donation camps in Chandigarh during my college days. And apart from that, I think this is a genetic disorder. It's about hemoglobin deficiency, and I think it's our responsibility, especially the responsibility of the artists, the people who are probably the opinion leaders in the society, to stand up for this cause.
Also, कहीं इनको नहीं पता है कि there, I think lifespan, how much we discussed, is till a certain time, till 25 or something, and some people live up to 40.
Yeah.
But looking at them, it's amazing that they are trying to live happily every day, isn't it?
Exactly. I think they have all the right to live to live happy, to be happy, and to maybe inside of their brain they must be thinking that this is not going to last forever. But I think it's about just being more sensitized towards this and giving them all the love. And being a young parent, I can understand what a parent goes through. So after becoming a parent, you get to know that your parents love you more than you love your parents. So they just need all the love.
Sure, absolutely. You've brought up the young parent thing. I'm going to say congratulations, Ayushmann. You had a beautiful baby girl. You must be elated.
Of course, absolutely elated.
Well, great.
Yeah.
On that, have you decided the name?
Yeah, her name is Varushka, which means the giver of roses in Armenian and traveler in Russian.
Aww,
yeah.
That's beautiful. Well, more happiness to all of you. And also, हमने देखा है काफ़ी बार काफ़ी celebrities इस तरह के social causes में आ जाते हैं. Obviously, here it is also very expensive for treatments, and this is one way where these people try to make it. This organization tries to make it more less expensive for them. Blood transfusions. Do you think more of them can do something where we can have some organizations where we can donate and
I think donations are really required because it's a very expensive process. It varies from 50,000 to 2 lakhs a year. So I think it is definitely required. You should come forward and donate for these young children, and I think that's the need of the hour for sure.
You've interacted with a few of them. We're going to make you interact with a few of them more because I have a lot of people standing here to interact with you. आपने एक चीज़ क्या notice की in children में? I mean, the thing I noticed was I didn't see them, depressed or something. They were extremely happy. What did you notice?
There's no reason for depression. I think they have all the right to live happily, sure. And they've just seen the film, and they're really happy. It's a kid film. It's an animation film, and everybody is a kid at heart. Yeah. So they live in the present. Children normally live in the present, and I think we should all be like overgrown children and we should learn from them. We should get inspiration from them, that we should live in the present and not think about the future at all.
You also plan to make everybody else, not just children, smile again with another very interesting movie with Bhumi Petnekar, and she's debuting with that movie, right?
Of course.
Zor Laga Ke Hayya. काफ़ी चर्चे में है. The first look got a lot of inquisitive questions.
Yeah, of course, first look is out, and it's very quirky. It's a very unusual YRF film. It's not a typical, glossy film. It has a subject which is very unique. It's about this uneducated guy in love with this fat girl who's educated. Sure. So both of them have their own complexes in the film. So it's very interesting.
Well, great. I will now stop and make you interact with few children who are here around you. आपको मिलना है ना आयुष्मान से? आइए. क्या पूछना है आपको इनसे पहले बताइए. क्या बोलना है इनको?
मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी करते हैं.
तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हो. तुम भी एक्टिंग बड़ी अच्छी करते हो.
करते हैं?
तुम करते हो ना एक्टिंग? शक्ल से लग रहा है.
डायलॉग आता है आपको कुछ? नहीं. कौन सी क्या सबसे अच्छी लगी आज आयुष्मान का? गाना अच्छा लगा, एक्टिंग अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है आयुष्मान?
सब अच्छा लगता है.
लेकिन तुमने भी फिल्म जो देखी थी अच्छी लगी थी वो?
हाँ देखी.
अच्छा, तुम गाते हो? नहीं गाते हो? डांस करते हो? एक्टिंग करते हो? फिल्म देखते हो? क्या नाम तो बता दे यार. धीरज.
मुझे बस आयुष्मान अच्छा लगता है इनको, है ना?
और धीरज.
एक और बच्चा एकदम स्मार्ट यार. आइए बताइए.
मेरे को आपसे फोटो खिंचाना है.
अरे फोटो हम लोग
तो वीडियो बन रही है वहाँ पे.
वो देखो वहाँ पे फोटो खींच रहे हैं.
हम डांस भी कर सकते हैं.
किसी और को कुछ पूछना है? ये आयुष्मान कुछ पूछना, क्या पूछना आपको बताओ.
मुझे आप बहुत ज़्यादा ही पसंद हो, और मुझे आपकी सारी फिल्म पसंद है, और आपकी वॉइस जस्ट अमेजिंग. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट.
Thank you so much. What's your name? Nabila. क्या करती है नबीला? कौन सी क्लास में?
मैं अभी 12th में हूँ.
12th में हो?
हाँ.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लिया आपने? कॉमर्स लिया है.
हाँ.
वेरी गुड.
आप कौन सी मूवी देखी आपने आयुष्मान की?
मैंने सब मूवी देखी है. नौटंकी साला और बेवकूफिया।
बेवकूफिया?
यस।
आपको कुछ याद है जो आप कह सकते हैं आयुष्मान सामने? आपको आयुष्मान, आपको बेवकूफिया कोई डायलॉग याद है?
बेवकूफ़ियाँ का डायलॉग है कि वेरी हॉट खा दो अंदर।
खुश है आप?
बहुत ज़्यादा।
एक और आयुष्मान से एक बार सब फोटो खिंचाएंगे आपके साथ। एक और जन आइए। जैसे कि हम इंटरेक्ट कर रहे थे, ये बहुत ही ब्रेव चिल्ड्रन हमारे साथ, एंड टू कंटिन्यू द इंटरेक्शन, आपके आयुष आपके साथ है, बताइए क्या पूछना है?
मेरे को आयुष जी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। आपके फिटनेस का राज क्या है? मेरे को
यार इतना भी मैं फिट नहीं हूँ, बस योगा कर रहा हूँ आजकल दम लगा के हमेशा के लिए। एक रोल की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ। हर एक एक्टर की फिटनेस जो होती है मूवी के रोल पे डिपेंड करती है। और मैंने 5 किलो कम किया है क्योंकि मैं योगा वाला कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा हूँ और उसके लिए मुझे मसल लूज़ करना था। तो फिटनेस का राज यही है कि खाना टाइम पे खाओ, ठीक खाओ, और कुछ बुरी आदत मत रखो, कुछ नशा मत करो, बस यही है।
Well, it was a lot of fun. I hope बच्चे भी बहुत स्माइल कर रहे हैं, डायलॉग बाजी भी हो गई। You had fun, I'm sure?
Lot of fun. इनफैक्ट काफ़ी लोग आए थे, काफ़ी विसिल करके उन्होंने गाना गाया, and I sang couple of songs for them, and it was a lot of fun. And got to know they've got very good sense of humor. मतलब क्योंकि लाफ्टर हमने शुरू किया तो कोई नहीं हंसा, इस पे हंसी कोई किसी को नहीं आई. So I think, but it was a lot of fun interacting with them. They're intelligent students. They're very intelligent. They're very smart, I think, and they're very wise and they're very strong. And मुझे इनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिली आज.
बिल्कुल, आई एम श्योर इन्होंने भी ऑब्वियसली आपसे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन लिया है. एंड टू एंड इट, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ मैसेज टू ऑल द पीपल इन सपोर्ट ऑफ थैलेसीमिया. Whatever they can do, if they can go and donate or in their own way go and be a part of it.
I think you've already said everything, that you have to donate for these people. Yeah, you have a certain social responsibility as a citizen of the country, as a human being. You sensitize yourself for this disease, and and I think you should. It's about the future of the country. It's for the kids that you're doing, and of course, if you're parents, you can completely empathize with it.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. Well said, Ayushman. To end it, I'm going to say you might not have the kind of money to donate, but like Ayushman, you can be a blood donor and help these children. That was Ayushman Khurana for you, Rudran Chaturvedi with camera person Anil, Zoom Mumbai.